Now to our focus on the pathetic post-Diwali air quality in the national capital, which had much better October air quality compared to past years, till of course the festivities erupted. Given the floods in Punjab ravaging crops, stubble burning wasn't as serious this year, but a BJP versus AAP political exchange over pollution is turning into a Punjab versus Delhi problem again. As the city woke up to a tough blanket of smog, Delhi's Environment Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa accused the AAP government in Punjab of forcing farmers in the state to burn stubble. The Aam Aadmi Party meanwhile hit back and claimed that the BJP-ruled Delhi is hiding AQI data, even accused the Chief Minister of misleading Delhiites. Last night, out of 38 monitoring stations, 36 were marked in the red zone, while 4 recorded severe pollution levels with AQI readings above 400. Listen in to the AAP versus BJP exchange.
दिल्ली की सरकार को ये वो बता पाए, पंजाब के यही आम आदमी पार्टी अरविंद केजरीवाल मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में 10 साल तक रोता रहा और पंजाब के किसानों को गालियां निकालता, कुछ काम नहीं किया। लेकिन अब जब दिल्ली के अंदर मात्र 7 महीनों में पिछले 27 साल की जो बीमारी थी उसको मात्र 7 महीनों में काम करना शुरू किया, तो अब इनके पेट में दर्द हो रही है। और क्या कर रहे हैं? ये जानबूझकर दीपावली धर्म, सनातन धर्म, हिंदू धर्म को बीच में जानबूझकर ला रहे हैं।
जिस सरकार की मुख्यमंत्री AQI भी नहीं बोल सकती हैं, वो IQ, AIQ, QQ पता नहीं क्या बोलती हैं उसको, तो मैं उनसे उम्मीद नहीं करता कि वो यमुना के पोल्यूशन को या एयर पोल्यूशन को समझ सकती हैं। मुझे लगता है कि उनको समझ नहीं है, क्योंकि वो यमुना पे गई और जो डीफोमिंग एजेंट है जिससे झागों को हटाया जाता है, जो पिछले साल तक हमारी सरकार करती थी तो ये कहते थे जहर मिलाया जा रहा है, उसकी बोट्स चलवा के फोटो खिंचवा के कह रही हैं यमुना का पोल्यूशन खत्म हो गया।
जो केंद्र सरकार या दिल्ली सरकार, उनका इसमें कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। वो तो दीप जला रहे हैं, पब्लिक के अंदर अवेयरनेस लाने के बजाय वो पॉल्यूशन को और बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो सवाल ये है कि ठीक है, धर्म और आस्था सबकी है, लेकिन जान बचेगी तब ना।
मैंने आपको बताया कि आनंद विहार पे सुबह 5 बजे 943 था और शादरा में 390 के करीब था। मगर इसके साथ ये भी समझ लेने की जरूरत है कि केवल और केवल पटाखे ही दिल्ली के प्रदूषण के कारक नहीं है। एडजॉइनिंग राज्यों में, एडजॉइनिंग जिलों में जो घटनाएं घटती हैं, क्योंकि दिल्ली का अपना कोई मौसम नहीं है, उसके कारण भी दिल्ली में प्रदूषण बढ़ता है। हाँ, मैं ये मानता हूं दिल्ली के नागरिकों को सुप्रीम कोर्ट के निर्देशों का पूर्णतः पालन करना चाहिए था। अगर 10 बजे तक की अनुमति थी तो उसको जिन लोगों ने तोड़कर त्योहार मनाए हैं वो रवैया गैर जिम्मेदाराना है।
अरविंद केजरीवाल और अखिलेश यादव को इस बात से चिढ़ है कि दिल्ली और उत्तर प्रदेश के सनातनी ने बिना किसी रोक टोक के दीपावली बनाई। अरविंद केजरीवाल को पटाखों के धुएं की तभी याद आती है जब दिल्ली के अंदर दिल्ली का हिंदू सनातनी बिना रोक टोक के दीपावली बनाता है। दिल्ली और उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता इसको देख चुकी है, इसीलिए तुष्टीकरण करने वाले अखिलेश यादव और अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिनको हिंदुओं द्वारा बनाई गई दीपावली से चिढ़ है, उनको विपक्ष में बैठाई है और आगे भी विपक्ष में बैठाएगी।
Well, joining us this evening, two Delhiites, Neoma Gupta, spokesperson of the Delhi BJP, and Siddharth Sharma of the Aam Aadmi Party. Thanks to the two of you for joining us. Happy Diwali, as you call it, Deepavali as we call it down here, to the two of you. Obviously, it's a choked Diwali there in Delhi for you all. I'm sitting here in Bangalore breathing fresh air. Neoma Gupta, is this purely targeting the AAP for an issue that is annual? Because this time, because of the floods, there is a sense that the stubble burning was not the core issue. How could it suddenly turn around in one day's time?
Good evening and happy Deepavali to you. See, we must understand that the main causes of prolonged winter pollution in Delhi are always regional crop residue fires, persistent emissions, and adverse winter meteorology. Together, these explain most of the seasonal rise. Delhi BJP has taken systematic, multi-pronged action, whether it comes to air pollution mitigation plan, whether it comes to dust control, anti-smog guns, construction restrictions, regional coordinations, thus targeting the real structural issues. Over here, blaming Cracker alone is a very political game. It ignores the regional coordination failures and months-long sources, which are, you require constructive steps to make a problem go away. As you said at the onset, if you compare the AQI of Diwali on Diwali last year to this year, there is a big difference. It was 396 at that time, it's about 350. Yes, still high. Nobody with a functioning brain will deny it. But it's still better than last year. And in a place like Delhi, which has been ravaged by air pollution for years and years, I'm not the only one who's going to celebrate what is even a slighter increment. We have just started our work. We need few years to figure it out and resolve it. And that has been our commitment from the word go. From the time we've come into power, innumerable steps have come.
Okay.
But these people constantly make it a political issue when it's actually a scientific problem which they don't get the memo of.
All right, Siddharth, respond to that. It's a problem that cities face. Why turn it into a political slugfest? She is saying that it's the AAP that's turning it into a political slugfest. Your response?
Well, Raghav, so much so I had hoped that I would offer my Diwali greetings to my fellow Delhiites, but sadly we cannot. As you see, looks like for the BJP, Taliban अच्छा है, ट्रंप का टैरिफ भी अच्छा है, पाकिस्तान के साथ क्रिकेट भी अच्छा है, अब तो पोल्यूशन भी बहुत अच्छा है, सिर्फ आम आदमी बुरा है. When Supreme Court clearly permitted only smoke-free green crackers, how come so much smoke in Delhi on Diwali? That it literally became Vishwaguru in pollution. Will the BJP answer what was their winter action plan for Delhi? Will they answer why they made artificial rain in pristine Pondicherry today when it was needed in gas chamber called Delhi? There is a tweet from the present Delhi Chief Minister. This is the tweet that I'm showing to you. It's very clear. दिल्ली मेरा शहर गल रहा है, धुआं ही धुआं है हवाओं में, न जाने क्या जल रहा है, जहर ही जहर है फिजाओं में, इतना जहर कौन उगल रहा है. This is a tweet from the present Delhi Chief Minister, Honorable Rekha Gupta ji. Now, with the Prime Minister himself visiting flood-affected Punjab not just a few weeks ago, there is no way any parali was left to smoke to make this kind of smoke from Punjab. Today, Punjab AQI of Ludhiana is less than 100, while Delhi is supposedly between 400 to 1000 plus, as your visuals are showing. Some electronic meters are showing 1000 plus. So with Punjabi farmers quitting smoking, BJP has to answer who puffed so much smoke into Delhi and why did BJP not prevent it? After all, BJP has been winning on the plank of national security. So how come people's lungs are getting damaged under BJP's notional security? Is it national security they are providing, or is it notional security? Because safety of people's lung is also national security, isn't it? Because if there's no citizens left in the country, what is the country which country are they going to rule?
Okay, we'll get a response from Neoma. Neoma, respond to what Siddharth is saying.
I must marvel at the guts of the Aam Aadmi spokesperson, because successive years of the Aam Aadmi government have given us nothing but disappointment with skyrocketing AQI levels even before Diwali. While their biggest leaders, they just sat around, cribbed, holding press conferences about 200 things, none of which were relevant to the problem of the city, just like the debating skills. And today, out of the blue, they decide to come out of the woodwork, hurl accusations at us, knowing fully well what we have tried and to what extent succeeded in tackling a problem they spent 10 years only making it worse. Every year, conveniently, they forget a huge factor contributing to Delhi's pollution: stubble burning from Punjab. Especially this year, where farmers suffered from floods, adding to their problem, due to which they have resorted to burning even more parali. Please understand, from October 11 to 19, more than 300 burning incidents were reported from Punjab. I don't even know how many were the unreported ones.
The Prime Minister visited flood-affected Punjab.
When their manifesto used to come
is the BJP spokesperson saying that the Prime Minister did not visit flood-affected Punjab? When there is flood, when there is rains, there is nothing to burn, ma'am. There is nothing to burn. Everything is gone.
I think you need to revisit
so-
all the information which is being made privy on national television.
Self-indictment.
And secondly,
This is called as
it is
classic
your chief
self-indictment.
minister. You are in power over there. Why don't you help in the flood, or why don't you control Parali?
There's no smoke.
Last year, when
there's
we
no
were
Parali
debating
burning
for 1
happening in
second,
Punjab.
last year when we were debating
The Prime
on the
Minister
same
visited
topic,
Punjab.
No, Neoma.
last-
Neoma, the
newspaper
point
report that
that's
I'm
being
showing.
made is about the Parali burning. You see, the stubble burning,
that's
which
my
is
point also.
for several reasons not an
Exactly.
issue
And
down in South. It's been an issue for Delhi, but not this year. Go ahead, Neoma. Very quickly, last word to you, and then I'll get last word from the two of you. First, Neoma.
And when it comes to our winter action plan, please ask him to look at the air pollution mitigation plan of 2025. All the waste burning and landfills, all steps scientifically have been taken. Compare how many good days we've had to the number of pathetic days we've had under Aam Aadmi Party.
Siddharth, respond.
Yeah, this. I think she conceded to the Mia Kalpa when the Prime Minister himself has visited flood.
Oh my God, his level of
There's no
understanding is
Parali to burn
pathetic.
there. Now, interestingly, BJP what it did was this is the CP data, Rohini station. I want to say that this data is from Data Chor Gaddi Chor. 1079. This is the data that says yesterday night at 10 o'clock, and suddenly this data was totally this website itself stopped functioning. Begs the question, is there a collusion between BJP and Chinese cracker industry to sell smoky patakas in the guise of green smoke-free ones? Because there is no way judiciary-approved patakas would have created so much pollution.
All right.
Data now, moreover, shows BJP Sarkar imported nearly 9 lakh crore worth of Chinese goods in September alone. BJP has to answer how many
All right.
patakas it let China dump into India. This is again the data. Chinese firecracker market share doubles to 40% in India. This is what I'm saying. Is the BJP
All right, you're making some very
How many
strong
smoky
allegations.
patakas?
BJP would say those are wild allegations, but I think we'll leave this conversation here for the moment. It's the focus is about air quality in Delhi, and the worry has been about air quality in Delhi, not just this year, but for many, many years. That's all we have time for on the Southern View.